Welcome to today's construction masterclass. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of retaining walls? Build like a pro. Dive into today's episode to uncover the magic of retaining walls. From construction secrets to blueprint wizardry. Let's get building. Let's read it. We see an overview of this blueprint drawing. The blueprint drawing for the retaining wall is divided into sections for easier reading. Segment 8 includes sections 8A and 8B. This blueprint drawing shows the side view of the retaining wall with dimensions, such as the foundation being 800 millimeters thick and the wall above being variable. In detail, section 8A, the concrete dimensions are specified, which help us determine how to provide the steel. The foundation has a thickness of 800 millimeters, and the bottom of the retaining wall is 375 millimeters, while the top is 300 millimeters thick. In detail, section 8B, complete concrete dimensions are provided. The purpose of giving sections is to facilitate construction and make it easier for the engineer to read the blueprint drawing. Now, we will read the retaining wall reinforcement plan to see how the steel is designed. First, we check the foundation reinforcement. B1 steel has a spacing of 200 millimeters with 16 millimeter bars, while B2 and T2 have 12 millimeter steel bars with a spacing of 200 millimeters. In the next bottle reinforcement, T1 has steel bars of 16 millimeters with a spacing of 100 millimeters. The starter bars used from the retaining wall foundation will have an outside starter bar of 16 millimeter spacing at 100 millimeters, and the inside starter bars will also use 16 millimeter steel bars with a spacing of 200 millimeters. Additional bars will be used in the outside starter bars with specified spacing. Since the retaining wall is variable, its vertical steel bars will also be variable, and a U-bar of 12 millimeters with a spacing of 200 millimeters has been provided at the top. In the retaining wall, sidebars will be provided inside. The foundation bottom reinforcement plan in the Y direction consists of 96 pieces of 16 millimeter steel with a spacing of 200 millimeters for B1 steel, and its dimensions are also specified. The steel bars will extend from the right side up to the left, and L bars are also present on both sides. The foundation bottom reinforcement plan extraction for B2 has 12 millimeter steel bars with a spacing of 200 millimeters. Staggered steel bars will be used in varying dimensions. The foundation segment 8 top reinforcement plan extraction includes 18 pieces of 12 millimeter steel bars with a spacing of 200 millimeters. T2 will be staggered and the overlap will be centered. The top reinforcement in the second segment consists of 192 pieces of 16 millimeter steel bars supporting at 100 millimeters, and dimensions are also provided with L bars on both sides. Steel bars will be provided from the right side to the left in the retaining wall enforcement detail. This drawing clearly shows how to easily read from the starter bars to the vertical bars and U bars at the top. The elevation of the top wall is 1, and the foundation bottom it is variable, which is why variable steel bars will also be used. Elevation is a key part of construction, which is why we can complete